Hi guys, welcome back to EstherDees kitchen. Today we are making earthquake cake. Let's get cooking. So for your earthquake cake, all you will need is a box of chocolate mix, some coconut flakes, some pecans, some semi-sweet chocolate chips, melted butter, cream cheese, and some powdered sugar. So first of all, make sure that your oven is preheated to 350 degrees and spray your 9 by 13 inch baking dish with some cooking spray, and then mix your chocolate cake mix according to the direction of the box. I already have mine mixed here. Next, get your chopped pecans, sprinkle all that in there, your coconut flakes, spread it all around. Okay. After this point, pour your chocolate cake mix over this. Next, mix your cream cheese on medium high. Then add your butter. And then gently add your powdered sugar a little bit at a time. So after mixing this, go ahead and take little dollop and pour it all over your cake mix. And then top it up with some chocolate chips. Now place this in the oven at 350 degrees for about 40 minutes. So this baked at 40 minutes exactly. And now we are ready to cut it and see what it looks like. And make sure this is completely cool too. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed that video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and leave a comment down below. Also keep up with me on social media. See you next time on EstherDees Kitchen. Bye.